Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You died, act fast. First, grab or note the coordinates of your death spot so you know where to go, and respawn immediately. Every second counts because items despawn after 5 minutes. Once done, equip basic recovery gear. A simple sword, a shovel, blocks for bridging, and food to prevent another death. Make sure to set your game mode correctly and toggle client settings that show coordinates, because precise location shortens the search and increases your chance to reclaim everything. Now plan your approach carefully. If you have permissions, teleport to your death coordinates. Otherwise, chart the shortest, safest route on foot. Once en route, scout and clear hazards like mobs, lava, and water currents that can carry or destroy items, and bridge gaps to prevent fall losses. Prioritize grabbing armor and enchanted tools first because they're rare and may be stolen by physics or mobs. Use crouch to prevent pushing items off edges, and move methodically so you don't lose items again. Finally, collect your gear carefully and use tools to secure stray items. Water buckets push items together, boats collect items on water, and hoppers can funnel them into chests. If items are missing, make sure you search surrounding chunks, checked for mobs that pick them up, and confirmed server rules or plugins that may clear dropped items. As a fail-safe, set a bed near risky jobs, use an ender chest for valuables, and consider keep inventory or backups to avoid repeat losses. That resolves most problems fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.